Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial today, I'm going to be showing you how to get College Football 26 for free on all platforms. This is available on PlayStation, Xbox, PC and Steam. I'm going to show you a really easy method to get College Football 26 for free, saving you a bunch of money because this game is pretty damn expensive, as you can see. So let's get into the tutorial. You can see I've got my mobile phone here, so do this on your mobile, and you obviously need an internet connection, and this is going to get you a digital game code that you can redeem in the platform store of choice, and it's going to get you College Football 26 for free. So head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. I recommend you do this on your mobile phone, and you'll see why, guys. It makes the process a lot easier. And when you reach this website, just go ahead and scroll down. You can see they have loads of pages on here. You need to look for the College Football 26 digital game code. They also have a search bar at the top that you can use. But yeah, this is the code you need to find, guys. This is a free game code, and you can see these coupons are limited, but there are a bunch of them at the time of recording this video, and they're always replenishing codes, so there shouldn't be any panic of them running out. So you can see this is a get College Football 26 for free on all platforms, and this is a digital game code that you can use. And like I said, guys, you simply redeem this in your platform store. So for example, I play on PlayStation, so I would enter this into the PlayStation PSN store, and it's going to get me College Football 26. So you need to unlock your code. You can see your game code is currently locked, and this prevents people from taking all of the codes. Obviously, this game is pretty desirable, and you can only get one copy of the game per person. I've already done it, so I can't do it again, guys. But what you're going to need to do is click on Get Full Game Code, Get Full Code there, and you're going to see a new screen. It's going to tell you how to unlock your code. I personally had to complete a couple of tasks. They're all completely free. I did a free survey and also just downloaded a mobile application. And once I did that, my game code was fully revealed. It says unlocked, and this there will say successful. So if you click on it, down here will say successful, and this will be unlocked, and you can grab the full game code, redeem it on your PlayStation or Xbox, and yeah, that is going to get you College Football 26 for free. So really easy. Just got to go to Cold Coupons and just look for the College Football 26 codes page here, and yeah, grab your code. Make sure you follow the instructions, but yeah, it is super easy. And enjoy, guys. Let me know if you need any help. Also smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.